Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, but let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back, where you have spacious seating for three with a nice full leather interior, which can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more in the middle there, with a 12-volt USB and USB-C, 120-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks with power telescoping and folding towing mirrors, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. And now sitting in the truck with a running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your fuel economy, trip 1 and 2, eco behavior, auto start stop, and driver assistance features. And then moving down you have your, that's back to the trip and fuel. We want to go to truck info, where we can look at our tire pressures, digital or off-road status, power distribution, engine information, seat belts and driver assistance. And then you have your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, lane keeping system, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, as well as having your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. And above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, traction control shut off, and a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto, locking rear differential, and drive mode selector. For normal, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and then on the opposite end you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as having this compartment up here for more storage. And moving down, you have this compartment with a USB and USB-C. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as being collapsible. So you have some open space here with 2 cup holders, your lockable center compartment / armrest with removable tray, ton of room inside, and another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. But then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And then last but not least, a twin panel moonroof up top so you can land the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.